Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The tech world is buzzing with ultra-slim innovation and flagship powerhouse excitement as we dive deep into the iPhone 17 series launch rumors. Today, we're unpacking all the juicy intel, release timelines, price forecasts, gorgeous design previews, AI-enhanced experience details, and more, to give you a crystal-clear look at Apple's next-level moves. Trend watchers and industry analysts point to a grand Apple unveiling in early to mid-September 2025. Based on recent coverage, the speculation centers on September 9th as the big reveal day, setting the stage for pre-orders around September 12th. And shipments rolling out by Friday, September 19. These dates align with Apple's well-established rhythm of announce early, sell late, a rhythm that builds hype and fuels anticipation. The iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to include 4 compelling variants: the standard iPhone 17, streamlined iPhone 17 Air, performance-focused iPhone 17 Pro, and the ultimate flagship powerhouse, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The arrival of the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air, just about 5.5mm thin, is a head-turner, effectively replacing the traditional Plus model and redefining the ultra-slim design benchmark. Apple plans to unify cutting-edge display technologies across the entire series. All models are expected to feature 120Hz ProMotion, while Pro and Pro Max variants may retain or debut exclusive perks like always-on display or variable refresh technologies. Though these features may no longer remain exclusive to Pro models, Apple is rumored to introduce a fresh display advantage, perhaps an enhanced brightness mode or advanced scratch-resistant coating, to preserve the premium distinction. What about the screen sizes? Leaks indicate iPhone 17, 6.3-inch OLED, boosted refresh rate but without LTPO or always-on display. iPhone 17 Air, 6.6-inch screen, ultra-slim LTPO panel, single rear camera, possibly a cost-efficient design for mid to high segment. Let's talk power under the hood. Standard models may be equipped with an A19 chip and 8GB of RAM, while Pro and Pro Max will likely run on A19 Pro and a hefty 12GB RAM, delivering serious performance, buttery multitasking, and smoother AI-driven apps in mobile photography. Apple continues its camera revolution. The Pro models are expected to boast a triple 48MP camera system, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, paired with a 24MP front shooter, delivering 8K video recording, mechanical aperture control, and perhaps dual-camera live filming for creators. A 48MP telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom may even simulate 5x zoom optically for improved portraits. Performance and design aesthetics stand out. It's said the iPhone 17 series might introduce a new rear camera panel that stretches edge to edge, mimicking Google Pixel's horizontal bar style. Combine that with sharper bezels, a robust yet elegant two-tone hybrid build, and new vibrant finishes like orange, dark blue, titanium gray, and classic black and white, and you've got a design that radiates modern flair and minimalism. Battery life is a highlight. The Pro Max may pack a massive 5000 mAh battery, while the Pro could house a 4500 mAh L-shaped cell with better heat dispersion, both promising epic 35-hour video playback and long-lasting usability. The A19 chip and efficiency gains from LTPO and optimized silicon components factor into improved endurance. 2 MagSafe also sees an overhaul, with rumors of faster wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging in Pro models, letting your iPhone power. Accessories like AirPods or Apple Watch wirelessly. Pricing signals suggest modest bumps across the lineup. In India, the Pro might launch at INR 145,990, $1,199, while the Pro Max could reach INR 164,990, $1,399. The Air model may debut around 79,900 Indian rupees, $899, while US and UAE markets may see slightly adjusted rates. Economic headwinds and tariff shifts could further nudge these figures. In summary, the iPhone 17 series promises a fusion of ultra-slim innovation, flagship powerhouse performance, camera revolution, and AI-enhanced experience. You're looking at sleeker frames, brighter and smoother displays, upgraded silicon, legendary battery life, fast wireless charging, more creative control, and bold new colors, all while evolving the iconic dynamic island. Apple is aiming to raise the bar in every sense. For creators, this is massive: 8K video, dual camera capture, dynamic island improvements, and AI-optimized workflows unlock fresh ways to stand out. The iPhone 17 Air brings style with substance, while Pro models offer no compromise power. That's all for this mega deep dive. Stay locked into Techno Trend Zone for the latest leaks, exclusive rumors, and full analysis. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a single update. Peace out.